Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best battery terminals in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best battery terminals that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the WindyNation Brass Marine Grade Battery Terminal. Able to withstand even the most demanding conditions, the WindyNation Brass Marine Grade Battery Terminal is a great pick for those working with heavy-duty machinery, boats, RVs, or trucks. It is equipped to work with marine equipment and meets military specifications when it comes to durability, and it comes with both positive and negative terminals. Made out of brass, the stainless steel fastening tech prevents issues with corrosion and connects to most standard post batteries. This product stands out for its impressive ability to balance structural integrity without compromising electrical flow. Compared to lead or zinc plating on battery terminals, materials that can act as resistors, the brass lets your batteries work as efficiently as possible. However, there are downsides to the cast brass construction of the terminals. Since it's softer than steel, it's not as strong. Though it is structured so this won't be an issue in most applications, it is something to be aware of. Moving on at number 4, we have the Guteauto Store Battery Terminal Set. The Guteauto Store Battery Terminal Set is compatible with 6 and 12 volt plates, and the terminal connectors are compatible with all types of vehicles, ranging from trucks to RVs. Working with 3-way terminals, the pure copper plate helps things flow efficiently, and each set comes with a thick polymer that's color-coded to indicate whether it's positive or negative. The clear-cut mode of installation makes the setup much more intuitive, and with the cathode ringing in at 0.71 inches and the anode at 0.67 inches, it fits most common batteries. Versatile enough to work almost anywhere, but while these terminals perform well, the design lends itself to a shorter shelf life. As they're made of steel, they're vulnerable to corrosion, but they're a good short-term solution. At number 3, we have the Cllena military-style battery terminal. This battery terminal kit from Cllena can be used in a ground or parallel connection configuration or as a battery extension. In addition to the positive and negative battery terminals, the kit includes 4 2-gauge copper lugs, lug covers, and red and black military spec battery terminal covers. The battery terminals are made of a lead alloy, which gives them strength and resistance to corrosion and rust, and results in durable, longer-lasting battery terminals. These battery terminals come with 3/8 and 5/16 inch mounting bolts and everything you need for an easy, fast installation. While the quality of the plastic battery terminal covers could be better and the product may ship without installation instructions, they are an economical buy. Note: be sure to install carefully to avoid damaging the battery cables. At number 2, we have the Fastronix Military Spec Battery Terminal. These battery terminals are great for multi-battery setups, such as marine batteries, off-road equipment, and race cars, and this battery terminal kit includes not only the battery terminals but also copper lugs for cables, lug protectors, and red, positive, and black, negative, plastic battery terminal covers. The metal battery terminals are made of a lead alloy that provides strength and durability and reduces corrosion. Since they're made of lead alloy, they will last and help you avoid having to clean off corrosive acid that may form on the battery, and the design also protects against shorts. However, the clamps on these battery terminals may not fit all automotive batteries, and the design features a large screw and bolt that may be problematic on some vehicles, so check your application first. They work great on multiple battery installations like marine batteries and are made in America. And finally, at number 1, we have the Schumacher Zinc-Plated Top Terminal. With a simple hex nut design, these battery terminals from Schumacher are easy to install and feature a larger negative battery terminal compared to stock, so it's impossible to mix up the cables and make a wrong connection. The battery terminals are zinc-coated, providing further protection against corrosion and battery acid buildup over time. This results in fewer rough starts, more horsepower, and better electronic operation. Schumacher claims that these battery terminals offer 3 times the conductivity of other battery terminals, and they also come with soft felt post washers that help keep the area around and beneath the battery terminals clean. And while they fit properly in most situations, they're not built for every single application and may not fit your standard battery terminal post.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.